Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
Tell them, because you know.
breakfast. We have French toast. I have some eggs.
Clear your throat, clear your throat.
my throat, man.
Clear your throat. Too early.
Too early.
Clear your throat.
It is early. We have French toast. I have eggs with cheese, with cheesy eggs. I have bacon, and I have some sausage. These are all pork.
Yes. So stay to that side, to the left, to the left. And then I got, tell me what you got.
And then we have strawberries in the middle. What do you have, my love?
So I got the French toast, you know. Gotta get that French toast, you know. I already tell you, I'm not a breakfast person, but I'm gonna tear it up. Then I got my turkey bacon. Turkey bacon, yes. So here, I don't want you saying, there you go, so take a piece of my turkey bacon. Here, I'm gonna give it to you early. See that look? Yes, turkey bacon.
So we're gonna
I like turkey bacon. A lot of people don't like turkey bacon. I do. Some YouTubers don't like turkey bacon.
We have other people that
I'm just letting you know, because some YouTubers don't like turkey bacon. You know what I'm saying? But I love it.
You love it.
All right.
So we're gonna dig in.
Yeah.
We haven't had breakfast on the channel
For almost a year.
That is true.
Yeah.
Oh, this egg tastes so good. Want to taste it?
No. I only eat egg and seafood.
And then I'm using my cup that Miss Sharon Johnson bought me.
Hey.
Okay, to drink my tea.
Shout out to you, Miss Sharon Johnson, and you already know.
This is good. You made the tea good.
You made good?
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna ask y'all, which one of these y'all hot sauce y'all want me to try?
Really good.
You know, courtesy of Twin Green, you know, which one you want me to try? But I know I'm gonna try already. I don't. Yeah, I take it too long to answer.
You guys know I love my whipped cream. Don't judge me.
Oh yeah, she do.
Okay, just participate in the madness. Alright? You don't put it like that.
She love the whipped cream for real.
Yes. Oh, you guys can see my food now. It's alright. Let me mash it down. When I go to a restaurant, I actually order whipped cream on the side.
Yeah, she do. A lot. Oh, before I do that.
What are you doing?
Oh. They asked me which one I picked.
Oh, that one looks
Yeah,
good.
so I picked the Rastaman one. Y'all can see? Tell me if y'all can see it. Tell me. Good? Is it good? Alright. Thank you. Alright. So I'm going to try this one. This one is the mango habanero. Breakfast look good. I'm going to have a taste it yet.
It tastes good, man. You take too long. Can't wait for you. But it doesn't make sense I wait for you anyway because you're going to be done soon.
I'm on my rush breakfast, Mike. I mean, I'm on an breakfast. Rush it, man. Damn. What's going on? So what's going on with y'all peoples, man? Shit.
It's so good. And this is my pajama top. It's not an outfit of the day, but it's my pajamas. Hey, we're eating breakfast.
I don't wear pajamas.
He don't.
I don't think guys, I don't know. Guys, comment down if y'all wear pajamas.
A lot of men wear pajamas. You'll be surprised.
I don't wear pajamas. Straight.
That's okay. It's easy access for me.
Yeah, straight, no shirt, son. Feel me? I don't wear that. I don't wear. Guys, y'all wear robes too? Let me know, guys. Because it's probably something I'm missing out on. I don't wear a robe neither. First day, it's a robe fit me.
A robe and like long pajama pants.
No way them things are done.
This is really good. So,
Alright.
how I make my French toast
Tell them. Okay,
is the same way how I make.
already.
They did?
Yeah.
It's the same way how I make overnight French toast. The same batter.
Let me get some of the spray, please.
Whipped cream. The same batter that I used to make my overnight French toast.
I know you're gonna finish it.
Whatever.
Alright, family. Hold on.
I have 4 here. I might eat all 4.
Yeah. She like breakfast. Here.
I like breakfast, but I don't love it.
Yeah.
I would eat it where it's not something like I have to have breakfast in the morning or I can't concentrate.
I was about to tell her to make me a cheeseburger. My breakfast.
Yeah, Marty? I can have breakfast for dinner.
You know what I can eat for dinner? The sausage, the fried sausage.
Oh.
I can't eat like the breakfast for dinner.
Oh.
But I was trying to make a sausage sandwich.
That's true.
Okay.
That is true. So how have you guys been? Oh man.
You're watching the breakfast.
This tea is really good.
Made good?
Richie always makes me the best tea. Always. Right amount of sugar. I like Lipton tea. And I like to add lemon juice to it. I can't just eat straight. I can't just drink straight Lipton tea. I have to have lemon juice in there. And then I tried different teas as well, but Lipton with some lemon juice or fresh lemon, my favorite.
This is good, Tom.
Come on, good, right? What I did was I sprinkled some brown sugar and cinnamon on top of it, and that gave it that nice caramelization and have a nice taste to it.
Let's go.
Thank you, my love.
Nice. So this ain't gonna be a long video today. Yeah, it happened like that sometimes.
If it was just me, yes. But Richie,
I'm already done.
basically. If it wasn't for him trying to open up that hot sauce, he would have been done already.
How gonna do me a minute now? I get mad. I said, yo, I'm about to put that on the side.
I didn't, you notice, I didn't even help him. Like, let me see if I can open it for you.
You're not fighting in, right?
And I ignored him because I have nails. And I was gonna say, let me see. I said, you know what? Let me let him struggle because it made no sense. He's gonna finish it for me.
That's pepper nice.
I'm pepper.
You know what? That sauce, bro.
Oh, the hot sauce?
Take a lick. When you put the pork on your mouth first. I said the pork on your mouth.
I was saying, maybe I'm eating food.
No, just take a look right there. It's right there. Yeah. That's the mango happened there. It's not, you got a good kick, right?
Yeah. I think the mango probably would, it works with the sausage, with the bacon. Turkey bacon.
How much thing you gave me?
4. How is it a year since we've had breakfast on the channel? A long time.
I'm gonna give y'all. Let me see. Oh, they gonna go all the way back. So I'm not gonna ask them that question. Family.
You love test them.
Yes. Where was the last time we did our breakfast video? Where was the last time we did our breakfast video, family? Let me see. Let me see what's going on.
You know what I like?
Yeah.
Or I come to realize our channel also, I like when you ask them questions, almost like a trivia. They never know what we're gonna ask in the video.
And they get it. Comment down. And if a lot of people get it, I don't care. Shout out to everybody that get it, okay? I'm not gonna single nobody out. Cause it's too much people.
They don't like that.
Like that. I can't single everybody out. But I got y'all. I'll shout y'all out. Okay? If it's too much people, I'm not gonna say for everybody, but if it's like 3, 4, I know that. I got you, okay? So again. Not the first time, it's the first. Where was the first time we had breakfast?
Yeah.
Right? That should be the question. Where was the first time we had breakfast? Let me first say,
Where were we?
Where were we?
Yeah.
Good one, right?
Yeah, man.
I'm not getting that one, nigga.
Yeah, but your question is always good because I don't be thinking about that stuff.
I like this in the family memory.
I know you do. And they're like, and they're game.
They're game.
They're very competitive too now.
Oh yeah.
Very competitive.
Family. Yeah, some of y'all is real competitive, but we like that. You know what I'm saying? That means you're rocking with us. You know what I'm saying? We almost there. We almost at 3,000. You know what I'm saying? We almost there. Very, very competitive. I be laughing sometimes. We be laughing like, damn.
They're not playing.
Sometimes I'm like, shucks.
Like, I said it first.
I said it first. I want to go live. I say, all right, so that's us. But yo, I like that family. We do.
Whipped cream.
We surely do.
Yeah.
I mean, they're rocking. Perfect. This is good.
That's fine.
No cap.
I was like, the hubby's home. I'm home.
Yep.
I'm gonna have some breakfast.
Yep. I finally joined in the breakfast food. All the time I be at work. The first lady got me this morning and said, yes, I got you. Know what I mean? She hooked me up with that decent breakfast, you know what I'm saying? Cause she know I'm not a really a breakfast person, so I be at work. But nah, she got me this time.
I was surprised when I said, honey, you wanna do a breakfast video?
Yeah.
He was like, yeah, we can do one.
Yeah.
I thought he was like, man, make me a piece of steak and you eat breakfast.
Remember I told him to ask for the cheeseburger? Yeah.
I thought he was, but he didn't.
Like I said, I would eat it, but I'm not a big fan. In the morning time, yeah. Oh, there's a 10 time thank you just to make sure they're saying about the accident.
Oh,
Appreciate
yeah,
y'all.
we appreciate that. Like we said, it could have been worse. It wasn't. So, we're grateful.
Grateful here. That's what I say. Yeah. In the morning, I don't even drink tea. I just take a little one little piece of snack, and just go to my merry day. That's it. But I will eat it. You can be saying French toast, man. You know, I'm a follow French
For
toast.
real.
You know French toast, man. Stop saying that, boy. Richard, I thought you said you don't like breakfast like that, but yeah, first lady food, I'm gonna take it.
It doesn't matter, it's food.
Oh. You said it, no?
Once you start eating the food, that's it. Doesn't matter what it is. Am I gonna yam it?
Nice strawberry. Family.
I don't use a lot of syrup, so that's why I use a lot of it.
In Florida, just a quick story. A little short story, because I know you like the story. They have a place we used to go strawberry picking. So,
don't tell my business, honey. Don't tell them.
I'm gonna tell them business.
Don't tell them,
I'm gonna tell my secret what we do. Let me show you how I do it. We're gonna go strawberry picking and orange picking and anything. So, they have the nerve to say when you go in the field, you can't taste. They gave us a bucket. Me and first lady yam strawberry till a week.
Yep.
Every aisle we go to, we be eating strawberry. How we gonna know the strawberry is good? You think
And the kids was there too, my love.
everybody was there that time, right? We listen. By time, family, every aisle we go with the strawberry picking the strawberry them, we eating. This one is good. We swapping.
How do you know if it's good if we don't sample it?
Exactly. They're talking about you can't taste it. Listen, by the time we went to leave, we ate by one strawberry.
We were burping strawberries. We were so full. Yo, we did buy some strawberries.
Yeah, we bought a little bit.
We bought a little bit, but we ate like a lot.
We ate a lot. You tell me now. If you go to a field of orange and strawberries and whatever the type of fruit you like, apples, you're not gonna taste some? Be honest. Tell me.
But that was before COVID.
That was before COVID, yeah.
Yeah, so I want you to be like, oh, well, we washed it.
Yeah, that's before COVID. This is a long time ago, family.
Yeah.
I'm talking about these stories.
And we came prepared. We brought our own bottle of water.
Everything.
And rinsed it.
We came prepared.
And rinsed it and yam it.
Yep.
That was the best strawberry picket I ever did.
No, the strawberry did nice, you know?
Sweet too enough and firm.
Like you.
Oh,
Someone like it firm, right? Yeah. You see,
excuse me.
First lady Nicki Minaj style. But yeah, family, and that place we used to go to, now it's closed down.
I know.
They closed it down, so I don't know. See, if they was making the people them taste the strawberry, that wouldn't happen. But this strawberry was delicious, though.
But what happened is, unfortunately, yes, I'm putting more whipped cream. Okay.
She would done that, family. She would done that whole bottle of whipped cream.
I don't eat a lot of syrup, so I use whipped cream as my syrup. So I think also it closed down because people don't do that anymore.
Nobody do that for real.
It's so much fun though. Like strawberry picking, apple picking, orange picking.
I've never been orange picking. I've never been apple picking like this. We just love the strawberry.
And Richie loves oranges.
I love orange.
Love it. So.
Yo, you know, so we have teeth.
Yo, that big teeth enough. By yourself.
We can't talk too loud.
The family not gonna tell nobody.
No, please, we stop on teeth. Orange, you know where I go that time.
Yeah, man. Every time we go out of town, and we live in Florida. So we go to Tampa or St. Petersburg.
Yo, you can't get a location first thing when people come to you. Yeah.
And we see an orange field, we stop and we pretend like we're looking for something and we throw about 30 oranges in the car and drive off.
Every time we see a field, the car always punch up. Something always wrong with the car.
Always.
But yo, me and person don't play, yo, listen. Me and person, we arrive, yo, we ride it down, we don't give a damn. Person, yo, we out. We doing it. Yo.
The orange them be looking so good.
They do it too. Some of them would do it too. Yeah, they won't do it. They pass orange field, they will stop and pick up one orange.
Yeah, but then they have the nerve to have the oranges them just right as you driving right, just in your face.
Family, right in your face, you could drive through the window. Yo, you know where the grapefruit is?
Oh yeah. We was driving and we saw a field of grapefruits and we pulled over.
We got an extended video for y'all. Make y'all laugh. We don't play, man. Yo, me and
the amount of grapefruits that we picked that day.
Yo.
With yam grapefruit too, we couldn't yam grape. Yo, so we picked, and then one time we saw cane. Y'all no stuffy teeth in us, nada.
Fam, we don't play anywhere we see a field, and we know it's fruits, we get it. Real talk, you got it for real, and it's right in your way. It's like you can walk past them and grab it. So why not?
Yeah, sometimes it's hanging off of the other side. You know, you're not going on their property, but it's hanging or it's just there. No, it's like I'm. Don't tempt me.
Man, first we help ourselves. We don't.
So we get canned, orange, strawberry. Then we get grapefruit.
No, now give them a shot.
Oh, and mango.
Remember the first time we saw the mango tree?
Mango.
Family, listen.
Aki.
Oh gosh. Family.
No, we are regular.
We have this where we just moved here to our town. I'm a type of person like this. Damn, we stretching the video for them for real, man. They like listen. I'm a type of person like this. When I'm driving, I focus on everything. I know every fruit tree when I see it. First thing you can tell you.
I'm amazed how Richie can tell me. That's a pear tree. That's an apple tree. Oh, that's a aki tree. Oh, that's a mango tree.
Everything.
Oh, that's a papaya tree.
And the mango like, listen.
I don't know how you do that.
I tell the person like, damn, you know all them. So listen, there's this one place in our town. We always watch the mango tree. I always watch it. So one day I told the person, yo, we gotta go look at this mango tree. I told her this tree full of mangoes, yo. He said, nah, I gotta see that for myself. Right? That's alright. Took her there one day. You could tell when people don't eat the mango because they fall on the floor, fall over anywhere else or whatever. The tree's so loaded, family. Load, yes. I know y'all like mango too. Yeah, I hear y'all. So I took first day there. It's alright. Showed her, say, we gonna go over there. We gonna be politely and ring the doorbell. We was politely ring the doorbell. But when the tree hang off, it hang off like into a little ditch, man-made ditch. And there's like sometimes when the rain, water go in there. So we helped ourselves from there because it's nobody property. We helped ourselves from there first time and whatever. I said, nah, we gotta get the full sum of the tree. Go ring the bell. Right? So a little old lady came to the door. I said, hey, how you doing? I'm such and such. We live in the neighborhood and could we get some of your mangoes? She said, no problem. Go ahead. Just take a few. Gave us a bag, right? What was it? Well,
I thought she said only take 6.
Take 6. Yeah, she said take 6. So she gave us a bag. We went back. We kindly took 6.
Remember not the tree is full of mango.
And she's not eating them, right? Kindly took 6 in over. She said take 6. We took 6.
Stop, Sashi.
We took 6 family. We went by Mary Way because we already took some from the dishes, right? She's still doing it.
Sorry.
Yeah. So did it again. We ate those 6 and we came back again. Next day again, I said, could we get some more mango? She said, no problem, go help yourself. Oh my God, that's all she had to say to go help yourself. You want to see me in the top of the tree? I'm shaking tree. First lady picking up mangoes. Listen, family, that house been through like 3 owners. That's the sweetest mango tree ever. This is stringy mango, the small one. Angel, as you know what I'm talking about, the stringy mango.
Do we have pictures?
We are going to insert some pictures and we're going to show you that we're not playing. Right? I'm going to get them a story real quick.
No, go ahead.
Go eat. Someone eat. Oh, you done eat already?
No, I'm making strawberry mango.
Right. So, that tree is the sweetest mango tree ever. And family, for the non-island people that we would call stringy, it's a small mango, but it's like when you eat it, it gets stuck in your teeth like strings. We're going to show you. So, we get to know the lady now. She took all my number. She said, whenever you want to come by, just come and take some. She was so nice. What was her name?
Miss Betty.
Miss Betty. Oh my gosh, she was so nice. And when she was to move, she used to call me, Richie, I got some mangoes. Do you want to come get it? I said, yeah. Family. One day I went out there to do my regular routine. To go get the mangoes them. Miss Betty put out beer mango on the front line. Take it, it's free. I said, Miss Betty, you don't do that. You can't put out the mango and say it's free. They're gonna come help themselves. Leave it. I come take it. She said, Richie, I'm so sorry. It's just too much. Remember, the first time she only wanted us to take 6, so, right? Mary, we got so close to her, she eventually sold the house and went away. So my next owner again.
Yeah.
Part 2 of the next story time. I'm gonna cut it right there because yes, I got 3 different stories. I remember 3 different owners. So that's part 1. If you want part 2, comment up. I said part 2 for the mango story, and we're gonna tell you what goes down. That's how you have to do them. I'm stretch video kind of food shop. So family, we appreciate y'all. Part 2 tomorrow.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching the show where we talk about anything. Me and First, we just talk about anything. You know what I'm saying? You know how we do already. We are the greedy couple. And they are First Lady.
Orange juice now.
Orange juice now is the drinks. You do orange juice in there? When you do the orange juice in there?
Oh, when I came in.
Okay.
Setting up. You guys are the greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another Mukbang Breakfast Edition. Bye!
We almost there. We appreciate y'all. Keep rocking with us.